My name is Jorge de Cardenas. I'm a second-year student at FIU College of Law, and I found out about FIAC through my school and through other classmates.
Mi nombre es Silvia Cubides, a raíz de un accidente que tuve en mi sitio de trabajo.
I'm from the University of Miami, and I got involved with FIAC through an externship.
Hi, my name is Francesca Menes, and I'm a community organizer with the Florida Immigrant Coalition, as well as the coordinator for the South Florida Wage Theft Task Force.
I'm a second-year student at the University of Miami School of Law, and I started working at FIAC as part of an immigration externship program.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Vicky.
¿Y cómo empezaste ayudando a FIAC?
A raíz de una demanda por robo de salario.
I'm a second-year law student at Nova Southeastern University, Shepherd Law Center, and I heard about FIAC through the Inter-American Center for Human Rights in my school.
I mean, more than anything, I attended meetings and I showed my support, but it was really a huge group effort. What I did was nothing compared to what everyone else did.
La oportunidad de unirme al esfuerzo porque fui la primera persona por medio de FIAC que ganó su demanda sobre el robo de salario.
Well, I went to a couple of commissioner meetings, and I called the commissioners on the phone.
As I stated before, I was the coordinator, so basically kind of keeping everyone on track, scheduling the meetings, attending a lot of the commissioner meetings, setting up strategic meetings, basically whatever needed to be done, I was there and I was the one coordinating all of it.
I personally went to a few commissioner meetings and listened in while they spoke about the ordinance and the potential differences or changes that they were contemplating. I also called some of the commissioners' offices to try and seek support the week before that the ordinance was going up for a vote.
¿Y tuviste la oportunidad de involucrarte en el esfuerzo para apoyar la ordenanza?
Sí, ayudando a otros compañeros que han sido víctimas sobre el robo de salario.
Well, I didn't do too much, but I did call the commissioners and offered my votes for them to pass the ordinance.
I think it's good in raising awareness about wage theft, but there's still a lot that needs to be done as far as enforcement and investigating cases and problems within certain industries.
Ante todo que las personas van a tener un sitio donde poder, un sitio donde asistir para que en caso de alguna inquietud. Y segundo, que logramos que los derechos sean respetados.
I think it's going to have a huge effect on immigrants and, well, non-immigrants, low-wage workers who need to process their claims. It's going to make it much more faster for people that live paycheck to paycheck.
Well, I mean, it's simple that workers will now have a place to go. So any complaints that need to be filed under the threshold of about $60, anyone can go to the county now, and we're trying to figure out the vehicle. It'll either be Small Business Development or the Commission on Human Rights, but now they actually have an avenue to go to and file their complaints. So workers will now be getting paid.
Awesome. I think it's going to do a lot to make the availability of a legal remedy open to more low-wage workers who don't necessarily have the money to afford a lawyer otherwise, or don't have the time that it takes to go through the Department of Labor and their lengthy process.
Van a haber más personas las cuales no van a abusar más los dueños de compañías.
It's going to give people equal treatment regardless of the status they have in America, and give them what they deserve for the hard work that they put into their work.